Oh, hey, this may look like I'm relaxing, but actually I'm watching my CNC on this in real time with a $30 camera that I glued magnets onto. See?
This is the Vidcastive V12 Mini Cam. It's tiny, rechargeable, has Wi-Fi, motion alerts, night vision, and an app that took maybe 3 minutes to set up. It doesn't come with an SD card, but I had one laying around, slid it in, and ready to go. And yes, I used hot glue on the magnets instead of super glue. I should have known better, but hot glue was closer. And I'm lazy. And surprisingly, it held. I mounted it inside my CNC to babysit a job, and forgot that magnets don't stick well to slick plexiglass. So, the camera slid to the bottom like it was giving up on life. Held the metal plate where I wanted it, fired up the glue gun, and boom, instant fix. And yes, I left the spindle spinning while reaching in. Don't be like me. For the carve, I made my own YouTube play button out of cedar, because why not? Laser safety tip. Never walk away from your laser because they can easily catch fire if not monitored. But being able to see inside the K40 while the lid is closed, that's a total win. Aw, isn't that cute? Even in the dark, night vision holds up surprisingly well, so it would work great for a laser that doesn't have lights inside. Now, there is a delay. See, I do this, and then this. And I do this, and then this. And I do this, and then this. And I do this. Okay, that's enough. Moving on. Now, I don't own a 3D printer yet, but I've got friends who do. Mike sent me this, a filament spaghetti monster. He said his stock cam sucks. This cam might have saved the print, or at least caught it early enough to make the cleanup less soul-crushing. Of course, I had to test it as a backyard security cam, so I tried to steal my own lawnmower. I crept up like a clumsy ninja. See me? Yeah, well, the camera, it didn't even flinch until I was way too close. And when it finally noticed me, the motion tracking box locked into, like, I guess maybe my left arm? Kind of, maybe? So would it help you catch a thief? Maybe. But only if the thief's wearing reflective tape and moving very politely. On the plus side, at least I got my mower back and no charges were filed. So after all the chaos, how does this little cam actually stack up? Honestly, I was expecting a gimmick, like the kind of $30 gadget you buy late at night, use once, then it ends up in the drawer next to the mystery USB cables. But no, this thing surprised me. The 1080p video is actually decent, wide angle too, like why is my forehead 12 feet tall wide? Night vision? Legit usable, especially inside a laser box where it's darker than my sense of humor at 3 a.m. And bonus points, even after I hot glued magnets to the back like a gremlin in a garage, it still fits the original stand. It didn't even complain. But hey, it's not perfect. The motion detection is optimistic. Like maybe I'll alert you, maybe I won't. And the motion tracking box, it tried to highlight me, sort of. Oh, and if you don't mount it well, yeah, it'll slowly slide down mid-recording until all you're monitoring is your CNC's ankles, which is great if your spindle's been skipping leg day. But for me, I wanted a way to keep an eye on my machines without babysitting them. I wanted to see if something went wrong before I smell smoke. And for that, this thing's earned its spot in my shop. If you've ever hit go on a CNC run and walked away, just knowing something was going to go wrong, this might be your new favorite upgrade. Link in the description, and if you've got a machine, a haunted robot, or an unattended gnome factory, drop a comment and tell me how you'd use it.